welcome you all in e-learning. Today we are going to see chapter number 8 by the name Kachayam Ko-Aparadha from standard 9 subject Sanskrit. Dear students, already we have seen part 1 and part 2 in the previous video, which is already linked into the description. Today we are going to see the last part, the remaining part of the lesson in detail. Now we have seen in previous video that having understood the mental condition of Swami Satyadev, Gandhiji spoke quietly. Gandhiji spoke quietly in order to explain that what he had in his mind. So he says like this, please listen with attentive mind. Please listen with attentive mind. We have set out to help others, and further he says that this alone is our aim. This alone is our aim. You know this that in our country, people are always eager. They are always very eager to serve sannyasis, those who are wearing saffron clothes. And when you start the work of serving, seeing you with a saffron clothes, one side they will not accept your service, or they will start to serve you. Now here, up to here we have seen that our aim et devasmakam dhyayam asti. This alone is our aim. Further, yada bhavan seva karyaya pravutta bhavishyati. Yada means if, bhavan means you, seva karyaya in the work of service, pravruttah means are ready or practicing, bhavishyati tada means then, kashayan vastradharinam bhavantam. Kashayan vastradharinam, the one who has wear saffron clothes. Bhavantam drushtva, by seeing you. Ekatah on one side, te and bhavatah means yours. Seva karyam means the work of service. Na angish karishyanti, will not accept. Aparatah on other side, te bhavatah, they yours. Sevam means service. Kartum means to do. Pravutta means here we will take it as a ready. Bhavishyati, will happen. So here they wants to say that this is alone our aim, to serve people. But when you will start the work of service, seeing you with the saffron clothes, on one side, they will not accept you doing the work of service for them. So this is the mentality, and this is condition of Indian people, that whenever they are seeing people, those who are wearing saffron clothes, they are serving them. And on one side you want to serve others. If you are coming in the ashram with saffron clothes, then people will not accept your service. On one hand, they will start serving you. So up to here we have seen in this line that we see the word meaning. Seva karyaya means in the work for service, right? Seva karyaya. So seva karyaya means for the work of service. Pravruttah bhavishyati means will be ready. Kashayan vastradharanam bhavantam drushtva. Drushtva means having seen. एकतः on one side on the one side ते भवतः ते means they and भवतः means by you सेवा कार्य means the work of service न करिष्यन्ति न करिष्यन्ति न करिष्यन्ति means will not accept अपरतः on the other side or moreover we can say moreover on the other side भवतः सेवा कर्तुं प्रवृत्ताः भविष्यन्ति they will start serving you. So here Gandhiji wants to say Swami Satyadev that please give up your saffron clothes. The reason is only that our aim is to work for others, to serve others, right? But as you know that in India people are serving to the people, those who are wearing saffron clothes, those who are sannyasis. And if you will enter in the ashram by wearing saffron clothes, then people will not accept your service. On the other hand, they will start serving you. They will start serving you. अनेन किम अस्माकं ध्येयस्य हानि न भविष्यति. अनेन means by this. किम अस्माकं what ours ध्येयस्य means of aims. हानि means damage. न भविष्यति will not happen. Now he says that by this it will not be determined to our aim. If we will do like this, if you will enter in the ashram and people will start serving you, then don't you think that our aim, our goal will be determined, right? So here they want to say us that by doing this, don't you think that our aim will be damaged? So anein means by this. Anein by this. Asmakam means our. Dhyeya aim. Hani bhavishyanti. Hani means damage. So by this will it not be detrimental to our aim? Sannyasastu manogataha sankalpa eva. Sannyasastu, and this sannyas manogataha means in the mind. Sankalpa means resolve. So sannyas is a mental resolve, right? Sannyas is a mental resolve. तस्य परिधानेन सह संबंध कयापि दृष्ट्या न योग्य. तस्य means of its. परिधानेन सह means connection with the clothes. कयापि in any way न दृष्ट्या योग्य. It is not proper. Now he says that sannyas is essentially only a mental resolve. Sannyas is essentially a mental resolve, and in any way it is not proper. In any way it is not proper to connect it with the clothes, to connect it with what one wears. So here they wants to say that sannyas is the thing which is taken by a person in mental, right? Mentally resolve it is. It is not necessary to wear particular clothes for showing that we are sannyasi, right? So here Gandhiji want to say, Swami Satyadev, only that sannyas is essentially the mental resolve, and in any way it is not proper to connect it with one's clothes or one's wearing. Now write down Manogata means in the mind. Manogata means in the mind, and Tasya means of its. Paridhanena sah, with clothes. Paridhanena sah means with clothes or connection with clothes. Connection with clothes. Kayapi, in any way. Kayapi, in any way. Na yogya, not proper. So here Swami Satyadev wants to, Gandhiji wants to say to Swami Satyadev that sannyas is mental reserve and it does not have any kind of connection with clothes. So give up your saffron clothes. Aham nishayam mani yad kashan vastaran tyagena sannyasasya tyag naiva bhavishyati. Aham means I, nishayam means surely, manye believe, yet kashan vastaran tyage, by giving up the saffron clothes, sannyasasya tyaga naiva bhavishyati. You will not renounce your sannyas, right? So here he says that I think that by giving up the saffron clothes, the vow of sannyas is not renounced. So Gandhiji tries to convince Swami Satyadev that if you will give up the saffron cloth, it doesn't mean that you are giving up your sannyas, the vow of sannyas. So aham means I and nishchitam. Surely, manye means believe. So I surely believe that sannyasasya kashan nirvasranam tyage, by giving up. So I surely believe that by giving up your saffron clothes, the vow of sannyas is not all renounced, right? Further it says that atah vicharayati bhavan tadantaram yad yogyam tat karotu. Atah means so, therefore, vicharayati means please think, bhavan by you. Tadantaram means after that, yad yogyam, whatever is proper, tat karotu, that do, right? So he says that I think that by giving up your saffron clothes, the vow of sannyas is not at all renounced. So think well. So please think it over. Then do whatever is right. Atah means so. Atah so. Vicharayati means please think. Atah vicharayatu means please think. यद्योग्यम, whatever is proper, तत्करोतु, that do. So here Gandhiji wants to say Swami Satyadev that think on it, whatever I have said, that there is no connection between your vow of sannyas and your clothes. So think on it, and after that do whatever you think is right. गांधी महोदयस्य एतादृशं वचनं श्रुत्वा स्वामिदेवस्य संशयः तस्मिन् क्षणे व्यपगतः. गांधी महोदयस्य means of Mahatma Gandhi, एतादृशः means such a वचनं श्रुत्वा by hearing the words Swami Satyadevasya of Swami Satyadev, संशयः, संशयः means doubt, तस्मिन् क्षणे at the same moment, क्षण means moment and तस्मिन् means at the same or instantly, व्यपगतः, व्यपगतः means went away. सः काषायवस्त्राणां त्यागं कृत्वा, सः means he, काषायवस्त्राणां of the saffron clothes, त्यागं कृत्वा to give up, सेवा कार्ये of work of service, आत्मनः to himself, योजयितुं, योजयितुं means involve, सन्नडो भवतः. Now he is ready. So, hearing such words of Gandhiji, hearing such words of Mahatma Gandhiji, Satyadev's doubt instantly disappeared. Instantly disappeared. It is clear. Now he became ready to involve himself into the work of service. Now he became ready to involve himself for the work of service and giving up the saffron clothes. एतादृश means such a श्रुत्वा means hearing, vachanam means words or speech, and श्रुत्वा संशयः तस्मिन् instantly, and क्षण means moment, and व्यपगतः went away. आत्मनः सन्नडो भवतु. Now, here we have seen that hearing such words of Swami Satyadev's doubt instantly disappeared. Now he got clear that what does Gandhiji wants to say, and he became ready to work, to involve himself into the work of service by giving up the saffron clothes. Now here our lesson number 8 by the name Kasha and Co-Aparadha is over. You may note down all